Mr. Chair, again, we were told, kanina nagtanong tayo kung lumaki ba si Ma'am Alice dito sa Pilipinas, kung dito ba siya ipinanganak, kung Pilipino ba yung mga magulang niya. She first said na dito daw siya lumaki, which is false. Because paano malalaman or ma-identify ng mga tao doon mismo sa address sa Fujian na nakilala nila si Alice Guo o Guo Huaping as anak ni Lin Wenyi nung pinakita nila yung picture ni Guo Huaping sa kanila. Number 2, tinanong natin kung saan ba siya ipinanganak. Nakita na nga. Doon mismo, she left daw late of 2002. Sabi pa ng mga tao na in-interview ng Al Jazeera doon mismo sa Fujian. And might we take note, Mr. Chair, na sa video, nung pinuntahan nila yung address na nakalagay sa dossier, sa encrypted dossier, is a local office ng Communist Party of China. So, Mr. Chair, I think this in itself speaks volumes na.
The documentary in which Chinese interviewee indicated that Guo Huaping was a spy was played before the House Quadcom inquiry, prompting dismissed Bamban Tarlac Mayor Alice Guo upon questioning to vehemently deny that she was one. Davao Oriental Representative Chino Miguel Almario had the committee play the Al Jazeera interview with Xi Zhejiang, said to be detained Chinese delay who is fearing for his life if he was returned to China. Guo Huaping, China cannot be trusted. The two of us dedicated our lives to China's Ministry of State Security. Look at what happened to me, she said. If you don't want to be eliminated, tell the world the truth, he added. Citing the documentary, Almario said Guo lied when she said that she was a Filipino who was born to a Filipino mother and grew up in the Philippines. The video showed that Guo's mother was Chinese, Lin Wenyi, and that she was born in Fujian. Almario again asked Guo if she knew Xi. Hindi ko po siya kilala. At sana po, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, makuha ko rin po yung details. Gusto ko pong magdemanda, an upset Guo said. I don't know him. And Your Honor, Mr. Chair, may also have the details. I want to sue. Hindi natin siya madedemanda, Miss Alice, because he is now jailed in Thailand, Almario said. We cannot sue him, Miss Alice, because he is now jailed in Thailand. Almario said Xi's narrative lined up because the latter mentioned Guo asking him for campaign funds when she ran for mayor. Guo won the mayoral elections in Bamban Tarlac in 2022. Guo said it was unfair because she didn't ask for campaign funds entirely when she ran in local elections. The video said ikaw ay malamang na isang espiya, said Surigao del Norte Representative Robert Ace Barbers. Hindi po ako spy. Mahal ko po ang Pilipinas, Guo said emphatically. The documentary showed jailed tycoon Xi's explosive allegations about Chinese spies and an international conspiracy. He has been linked to scam sites involved in human trafficking and forced labor. In the interview from behind bars, he revealed that he was Chinese spy and one of those secrets involved Guo. Xi said he used his handler's mobile phone to contact Guo Huaping, or Alice, in the Philippines. Guo allegedly asked him to fund her political campaign. The team also showed the registered address in Guo's dossier, which is in Fujian province in China. The local office of the Chinese Communist Party was seen in the address and the nearby village. Residents allegedly showed photographs of Guo, who is recognized as the daughter of Lin Wenyi. They said Guo was born in the province and moved away towards the end of 2002.
Miss Alice, aware naman po kayo that you're still under oath. Tama po ba?
Yes po, Your Honor. And
sige, please.
And Your Honor, I cannot disclose too much because I have 8 pending cases po at the court din po.
Okay. And alam mo ba yung may mga statements kayo na nasabi nyo dati sa mga previous hearings in both the Quadcom and the Senate na naging natuklasan na kasinungalingan? Tama po ba?
Anong pong statement po, Your Honor?
Well, the nationality, your parents, and the like. Tama po ba?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Okay. Pero now that we're here and almost closing on this na rin, willing ka ba na magsalita ng katotohanan sa Quadcom na ito?
Your Honor, ano pong question po?
Willing po ba kayo na magsalita ng katotohanan sa Quadcom na ito? Now na patapos na itong lahat.
Opo, Your Honor. I have pending cases po at the court. So, anything po na sasabihin ko po dito sa Quadcom might use against me. So,
Okay.
opo.
Alright. Pero even if na alam mo na may alam din yung Ministry of State Security, willing ka rin ba na mag-confess ng katotohanan sa Quadcom na ito?
Your Honor, pa-specify ko po sana yung question po.
Yeah.
Para I know paano po din po ako makahelp po.
Okay. Sige. I'd like to direct your attention po sa ating screen. Can we please flash? Kilala mo ba tong si Xie Zhijiang?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Hindi po. Okay. I'd like to put that on the record, Mr. Chair, na hindi po niya kilala the person in question na si Xie Zhijiang. Nung nakaraang mga hearings, sinabi niyo po sa Senado and dito sa Congress na ikaw ay Pilipino. Tama po ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
And sabi niyo din na dito kayo lumaki. Tama po ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Dito kayo ipinanganak. Tama po ba?
Yes po, Your Honor. I have my Filipino birth certificate po.
And dito din kayo, Pilipino din yung mga magulang ninyo po.
Ang alam ko po, ang nanay ko po ay Filipina po.
Okay. And yung tatay mo?
Tatay ko po ay Chinese.
Okay. Now, let's circle back a few years before, more recently, yung sa pagtakbo ninyo bilang mayor po.
Yung mga kababayan ko po. Pangatlo po, tinulungan din po ako ng former mayor din po namin sa town para sa kampanya din po.
Okay. And saan kayo kumuha ng pondo para tumakbo bilang mayor? Saan lang kayo kumuha ng pondo? Kasi kailangan ng pondo, di ba? Para magkampanya. So, saan kayo kumuha ng pondo?
Your Honor, kumuha po ako ng pondo sa negosyo ko po.
Okay. So, you deny, lahat ng mga funding na nakuha mo for your campaign, galing sa sarili nyo, sa businesses?
Yes po, galing po sa sarili po lahat, Your Honor.
Okay. Now, you didn't ask for any funding from any Chinese person, Filipino?
Never
American?
po.
Okay, sige. Now, Mr. Chair, if you would allow me, I'd like to show a video to everyone. This is from Al Jazeera. And if I may, Mr. Chair, also request humbly that this may not be taken out of my time, as this is very revealing also in nature, if it's okay, Mr. Chair.
Certainly.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Congressman Matt.
That even if we have been making our own researches, pulling up our own inquiries, this is another source from a completely different party and is unrelated to what we do. Pero nagkataon that the person named Xie Kailun, who si Xie Zhijiang trusted with the encrypted files, showed to Al Jazeera that there is a dossier confirming that there are Chinese spies all over, at least in this case, Myanmar, but here also in the Philippines, and undoubtedly shows Go Huaping. In the picture, where she was born, even her mother, and the name of Lin Wenyi. Mr. Chair, again, we were told, kanina nagtanong tayo kung lumaki ba si Ma'am Alice dito sa Pilipinas, kung dito ba siya ipinanganak, kung Pilipino ba yung mga magulang niya. She first said na dito daw siya lumaki, which is false. Because paano malalaman or ma-identify ng mga tao doon mismo sa address sa Fujian na nakilala nila si Alice Guo o Go Huaping as anak ni Lin Wenyi nung pinakita nila yung picture ni Go Huaping sa kanila. Number 2, tinanong natin kung saan ba siya ipinanganak. Nakita na nga. Doon mismo, she left daw late of 2002. Sabi pa ng mga tao na in-interview ng Al Jazeera doon mismo sa Fujian. And might we take note, Mr. Chair, na sa video, nung pinuntahan nila yung address na nakalagay sa dossier, sa encrypted dossier, is a local office ng Communist Party of China. So, Mr. Chair, I think this in itself speaks volumes na, no? Again, nakakainis na time and time again dinideny ni Go Huaping lahat ng mga questions na tinatanong namin sa kanya. Okay. Again, let me ask. Go Huaping, kilala mo ba si Xie Zhijiang? Yes or no?
Your Honor, yung Xie Zhijiang na sinasabi niyo po, yan po ba yung pinakita niyo po kanina sa akin sa picture?
Correct.
Hindi ko po siya kilala. At sana po, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, makuha ko rin po yung details. Gusto ko po magdemanda. Hindi ko po sila kilala.
Hindi natin madidemanda, Miss Alice, dahil kasi he's in jail in Thailand. And the reason why he's speaking the truth now is because, as he was saying that din in the video, although hindi lang pinakita dito, is that he is also being illegally detained daw, sabi niya. Kaya sa galit niya, he wants to speak also the truth out to the world, na iniipit na rin siya ng Chinese Ministry of State and Security. So, what does he have to lose? That's why nga sinabi nga niya sa inyo, Miss Go Huaping, na tell the truth. Don't fall to the same mistakes that he has done. Kasi nga, he also fears for your life. Remember, nung Senate hearing, na you mentioned na you didn't want to name names because you feared for your life. And because of that, the Senate granted you security and asylum within the PNP's compound. Ngayon, na nag-executive session na kayo, sabi ng Senate na there was nothing to go about except for one name na hindi pa din namin alam. But if we look at it, there is no doubt, kitang-kita na. Hindi na galing mismo dito sa Quadcom, pero in an international company that whose job is to search for the truth worldwide. So, Mr. Chair, I'd like to submit this video na this is confirmation that what we've been trying to unearth here, marami na din dyan na nakikita din that corroborates not from us but from other parties as well. Which also means that this Quadcom should also be the avenue for which other people should also go to us to reveal more of the truth, kasi kailangan din natin yung kompletong katotohanan. Which is why this is an open call to action, Mr. Chair, sa lahat ng mga nanonood ng Quad Committee meetings natin, na kung may alam kayo, lalo na nakakatulong ito sa pagtingin, sa pagkuha ng katotohanan, please come forward. Kasi this is national security also at stake. She's been denying na may kilala siya, na ultimo, sinasabi niya na ilang beses na siya tinawagan para humingi ng campaign funds. Kung hindi niya alam yun, or if he was saying, if it wasn't even in the same timeline, then he wouldn't have said that. Diba? Timing. Elections natin, doon din siya, tumakbo din siya, humingi siya na tulong. It all adds up. It all lines up. So, Mr. Chair, I'd like to submit this video to the committee. And I hope na people really try this time na mas marami pa na will come forward to speak truth to this matter. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
So, hindi mo kilala yon, ano?
Your Honor, unfair naman po para sa akin. Hindi ko po siya kilala at never po ako humingi ng campaign fund entirely. Never po ako humingi ng campaign fund during my campaign period. At nung video na pinakita po ni Congressman Chino po kanina, hindi ko po siya kilala. At gusto ko rin po na iparating sa lahat ng kababayan ko at buong Pilipinas na rin po. Mahal ko pang Pilipinas.
Kasi nabanggit dun sa video na you're probably a spy.
Hindi po ako spy.
So, hindi ka spy.
Totally po, hindi po ako spy.
Hindi ikaw yung nasa picture.
Hindi po ako spy, hindi po ako nasa picture, at hindi rin po, Your Honor, ako yung sinasabi niya.
Kasi
In fact,
yung parang pinakita niyang dokumento, I don't know if that is a birth certificate from China, it clearly shows a picture that resembles your feature. Di ba? So, 1, 2, pangalan mo, yung Go Waping. Tapos yung place of birth mo, nakalagay daw doon. Nakalagay, China di ba? So, how will you now tell us and convince the Filipino people na ikaw ay hindi spy at ikaw ay hindi involved dito sa Pogo?